In this video, we'll show you what to do if your Lenovo laptop is running slow and constantly freezing. So to fix this, what you first need to do is head to the search menu and then type in adjust the appearance. Now select the first result, that is adjust the appearance and performance. Now in this dialog box, you need to select this adjust for best performance and then hit apply followed by OK. Once you have done this, right click on the start icon and then go to task manager from the list. Here you need to go to the startup apps tab. Here click on the status column to arrange all the apps by their startup value. So here you need to go through the list and find which apps are automatically running when you turn on your Lenovo laptop. If you see any app that you don't use frequently, simply right click on it and then choose disable. So repeat this step for every app that you don't find very useful. So the fewer apps that are running in the background, the better your Lenovo laptop will run. Another thing you need to do is open this system tray icon. Now here you will see all the apps that are running in the background. Simply right click on the app that you don't need and select exit or close. So repeat this step to close all the unwanted apps from here. Once you have done that, what you need to do is open the settings app on your Lenovo laptop. Now here go to system. Now scroll down and then click on storage. Now check the storage situation on your Lenovo laptop. If you have less than 50 gigabytes of free storage, I would recommend freeing up some storage space. For that, you can either delete unused apps or files manually, or you can use the storage sense feature. So simply click on it. Now here make sure it is set to never so that it doesn't delete your downloads file. So make sure to set this to never. And finally click on this run storage sense now option. So this will delete all the temporary files and old Windows Update files from your laptop and hopefully free up some storage space. Another thing you need to do is right click on the battery icon and then go to power and sleep settings. Here click on power mode and make sure to set it to best performance. So make sure to set both the plugged in and on battery option to best performance. Finally go to the Windows Update tab and then install any pending updates from here. So make sure your Lenovo laptop is updated to the latest version. Once you have done this, your laptop should run better than before. If you find this video useful, please don't forget to like and subscribe to Glitch Guru.